Yeah. Get Feet Up Entertainment. It's your boy D Hits. You know what I'm saying? Born in Lower East Side Manhattan, by way of Southside Jamaica, Queens. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? The pops that moved us to Brooklyn. You know what I mean? Starrett City. You know what I'm talking about? Then from there, I was blessed to step foot on that soil, man. That Long Island soil, Hempstead, 67 Terrace. Yeah. Then I start getting that money, that street life, nigga, gangsta shit. 716, Buffalo, New York, East Side Rider. Got the fearless. I'ma blame it on my past, I'ma blame it on my upbringing. Brooklyn, New York, my mom's in the living room singing. And that was back in 83 and 85 when she died. It drove a nigga crazy. Now I'm sitting on the island, 67 Terrace, trying to cope. Me and my three sisters, pop slinging dope. I had to escape out my own home, found my way. Fell in love with the streets, now I'm in them every day. Like games people play. Pops on my back every motherfucking day. In 86, I swear to God, I packed up my shit. Nigga tried to send me to Job Corps, but you know what nigga did. Ended up in the Bronx, cold as shit, hungry as shit. Life's a bitch. I tried to call my pops, asking for a couple dollars to eat. He said, nigga, that's what you get. I did a couple odd jobs, filled my belly up, and got my black ass off these bricks. Buffalo, New York, I got peoples out there, so you know a nigga took that trip. This is real as it gets. This is real as it gets, and I'm still here, and you know, damn, I got the feelings. This is real as it gets, and I'm still here, and I know, damn, y'all got the feelings. This is real as it gets. This is real as it gets. And I'm here, and I'm here, and I'm here. This is real as it gets. This is real as it gets. And goddamn, I know y'all got the feelings. Trinidad Park, I was embraced with so much love by the neighborhood thugs. And over the bridge, I had boys in Central Park, came through and made mad noise. Philly people up, but you know how life goes. A nigga fell in love with that cash flow. Breaking down the steering column, stolen vehicles, busting shots in the stop sign, get your head swole. And that was long ago. I'm blessed for show. Fillmore blocks, man, was a rough road. Goddamn shots was thrown. And if you ask, could I do it all over again? Shit, you already know. Put the hood on my back, and let you pussy motherfuckers violate and watch a nigga react. They took my nigga Doughboy and Zoe Pop. My next chain gon' be a iced out Pyrex pot. What you think this hood living gon' stop? Hell no. What you think? They gon' stop snitching to the fucking cops? That's why I never let my guard down. And when I bend the corner, F's in the air when I come around. This is real as it gets, and you know you got the feeling. This is real as it gets, and you know you got the feeling. This is real as it gets. This is real as it gets. Real as it gets. This is real as it gets, and you know, and you know, and you know you got the feeling. You know you got the feeling.